this episode, I set sail out of Stuart, Florida. I go and discover new beaches and historical parks. I go through this gnarly storm, and then I have to do maintenance on Outward Bound. What's up, buddies? Then, the ugly weather moved in. There's those 40-knot gusts that are moving me back and forth, moving everyone back and forth, and that could be trouble with the anchor, because it could break away. Now the wind just started coming from the west, and I need to make sure that I'm not dragging, and now I could, now the stakes are higher because I could be dragging on another boat, so I have to make sure that that doesn't happen with all my might. So, no alcohol, no sleep, stay alert, so yeah, that's where that big pot of coffee is gonna help. It's 4 in the morning, doing 40-mile-per-hour gusts. Everyone is just swinging back and forth. Even if you need to sleep, and that's when the lightning struck. They said it was going to be coming from the southwest. Now everyone's boats are pointing to the north, but yet it looks like weather is circling around us. Well, it's official. I made it through the first night of this crazy weather. It was 40 knot gusts. So about 30 miles per hour throughout the night, and so you can't sleep really. I may have gotten 3 or 4 hours, but I just woke up, and as you can see, it's not gonna let up anytime soon. I think Saturday is supposed to be our worst, so it's not gonna be the worst until tomorrow. So I have that to look forward to. I am constantly making sure from a couple of standpoints. There's this red marker and then there's a green marker here. So I am constantly making sure that I'm not dragging too much, and so with each big noise that comes from the bow, I go running like I need to go and cut on the motor and make sure I'm not losing hold. So yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, so it's a brand new start to day 2 out of 3. So I figure I do have 2 anchors down, 1 plow down. That's my heavy duty 65-pound Bruce with all chain. She's not catching so much on this muddy ocean bottom. So I also have a fluke that I have a whole bunch of road down to that actually cuts into the mud and is holding me in place. It's actually doing the greatest job for me right now. All is calm after the storm, guys. It's true. I seem to be untouched. Prost. That's what an excellent day of sailing looks like.